Our cute kitty. Have a paw button. We have a dedicated meow button. 10 out of 10. Perfect game. Fast as fuck button.
What the frowel is that?
Pause button? Paw button and a pause button. Do it again. Keep setting off car alarms. Control is a little finicky. Ooh, crouch. Could just be also that I'm hitting the fast as fuck button far too much. I missed one. There we go. That's better. Go down 2. Gotta get rid of these pots too. Nope, get down there. There we go. Docks. Docked. I think that as big a problem as it was. It's okay. Oops, I fell. Come on, we're late for work. Gotta get to work. Work. Honeys. A catnip. I think if I'm playing the cat game, I should be the cat. Meow meow. Security over this way. Somebody's papers are on the desk in a nice neat pile. Who should not have that? Fire portal. This job is pending expiration. Would you like to start the onboarding process? Yes. Yes, I would. Role, office secretary, name, Cat. I deserve a better name than Cat. The onboarding quiz. Welcome to the Docs onboarding quiz. Docs believes in a healthy and balanced workplace. This quiz will give us a fundamental encapsulation of you. This will empower us to delegate maximum potential during your tenure at the world-class media company that is Docs. You've arrived at your first day and found that your onboarding manager is yet to assign a desk to you. What are your next steps? Report your onboarding manager to their supervisor. Desk elevation is an important part of onboarding. A coworker is speaking ill of your work. Do you identify your coworker's weakness and let them know, forming a professional stalemate? Reach out to the coworker for direct dialogue on the issue, or meet your coworker's aggression, letting them know unprofessional conduct will be met with the same. Professional stalemate. We're all terrible. Someone has been stealing your lunch from the employee break room. How do you apprehend the thief? Tamper with your lunch so the thief is caught when they experience unpleasant side effects. Hell yeah. Since you've been overlooked during the current promotion season, what are your steps to get promoted by the managers? Which one's like the most aggressive, responsible answer? Earn their respect through force of will. They'll respect my work. A new AI bot has been deployed to your floor to help you with your department's growing workload. How do you welcome your bot to the team? Dunk it in water and waterboard the thing. Watch for fellow human colleagues who dislike the bot and recommend them for further change management coaching. Hell yeah! Congratulations, you're a ferocious coworker. You're a passionate contributor and a cutthroat rule follower. Keep this up, and you'll be on track for management before your first year is over. Cool. Am I good now? I can go now? Submission denied. Seek approval. Uh-oh. Can't do anything. Oh, no. I was just talking. Sorting files. Folders in the correct baskets. 5 folders fit in each basket.
Intruder!
Oh no! Oh no!
Intruder! Intruder! Brace for expedition to the incinerator.
Hold it. All right, what you got, Grabby? A cat? A sweet little kitty.
Intruder has been instructed to brace for extradition to the incinerator.
No Grabby Bot. Bad Grabby Bot. Executive override.
ID required.
Authorization Augie Ravetti. Release the kitty.
Affirmative.
Poor little thing. Trying to keep out of the rain. Let me see. No collar. But what were you doing here anyway? Wait a second. You did this.
There's a donut now. Uh,
Is that why you're here? For a job? Huh. I'm sorry. There's been a
I
hiring
want
freeze
that
on all
donut.
but come to think of it, you're not people. Application approved. Huh. What a loophole. Oh, my name's Augie. I'm the Chief Creative Officer here. Starting tomorrow, you'll report directly to me. Oh, right. You can sleep in here. Since we started using the bots for security, nobody really uses it. You just need a bed. Hold on one sec. Here, think of this as a sign-on bonus. Welcome to Docs. Cat secretary?
I got a bed. Fuck with anything else before bed? Yeah, let's just sleep.
Ralph.
Tell me dead. That's the name of the game.
New employee. Are you ready to undertake a journey of transformation?
Hell yeah.
Morning, Cat Secretary. I see you've met Obo.
As Doc's official onboarding bot, it's my sole function to onboard all biological employees. Since the hiring freeze 6 months ago, I have been unable to serve my function.
Obo's
Where
cute.
am I if my function cannot be completed? Do I exist without a new hire to onboard? I have been processing this query over 200,000 times an hour. 4.8 million times a day. Until now!
Obo will walk you through your workplace responsibilities over the next few days. Just follow their lead, all right? Oop, gotta take this. Hello? Is he ready to meet? No. I can wait outside his office.
I understand you are a cat. Truly remarkable, but I have not been programmed to judge. Only to onboard. To begin, please take this welcome package.
You've received a dog's pad. Compatible with my little jelly bean
The
paws.
first thing every new employee receives is their very own dog's pad. You can use it to keep tabs on your productivity and what you've learned so far. Oh, and one more thing.
I can hit the meow button
Now
during
that
the
you're a secretary,
cutscene.
you should look the part.
I get a hat? Oh, I get a tie. I want a hat.
Perfect! Now, onward with orientation. Let's start with something easy. Come over here and speak to me.
Dog's pad, you're able to view your character abilities, discover collectibles, blah 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 blah, and you'll be able to discover opportunities to download more apps. Hold up. Pocket menu. Provides quick access to the current floor mapping controls. Feeling tired, you can also sleep to skip ahead a few hours on the clock. Skills, got push. Got equip skill. Cat sense. Oh, this was pause. I can meow in cat sense.
Splendid. Following orders is a valued trait at Doc's. Now for something even easier. Optimize this router. Excellent. My self-assessment protocol suggests that I am doing an excellent job of onboarding you. Please join
Hey!
me in the break room for your next task.
You're feline productive. Task takes half a day to complete. That sounds about right.
Caffeine has been shown to increase short-term productivity in humans. As such, your next task would be to refill the coffee machine. Then
I love coffee. I'm having a coffee right now. All right, we did it. It did great job.
my telemetry also tells me that you have increased staff morale.
Yeah, I fucking
I
love
put
my
a meter
coffee.
to track staff morale on your docs pad. You may wonder how we are able to quantify the internal satisfaction of our employees. But I don't. Congratulations on a successful first day, Cat Secretary. And
Yeah.
don't worry, tomorrow the
Happiness is mandatory. Got it. None of the buttons do anything. Can use the mouse though.
I put congrats.
What the frau?
Come on, out of the corner. I want to kick you around a bit. Come on, Appa. Oh, what happened there? Kitty got. Is that what happens when Kitty gets a concussion?
Congrats and don't worry.
Not give Kitty a concussion. I go back to bed.
Good morning, Cat Secretary. I hope you're as excited as I am programmed to be for yet another day of productivity. Working without supervision is an important skill, even if you are surveilled at all times. Therefore, I want you to take the initiative.
Hell yeah.
You can optimize the router and refill the coffee machine. But now, you can also sort files.
Oh, holy shit. My dream came
Ooh.
true.
Preview
Nice.
them.
Supposedly the orientation week task is do your job.
I knew you had the power of free will within you. That must be nice.
Oh, Obo.
My onboarding checklist now suggests you meet some of your new colleagues to promote optimal team synergy. I detected a couple of employees by the elevators earlier. Go get them! No, don't harm them. Just meet.
Hi,
Did you
people.
see our floor's water cooler is asking us to pay for each cup now? Josiah's out of control, man.
Just knuckle down and dehydrate. No severance package if you quit after all. What's a cat doing here? Are you lost, little buddy? What's a cat doing?
Whoa, why does that cat have a tie? First bots are taking our jobs, and now strays?
What's a cat?
What? You're getting rammed into. Aw. Coffee for
My
you.
eavesdropping subroutine suggests that interaction was suboptimal. Conflict builds character, so we'll just have to work extra hard to prove our value and raise morale. Speaking of working hard, you've still got half a. I'll come find you after work. My favorite part of the onboarding experience is tonight.
Play the sax. Oh, it's Tower of Hanoi. Okay. Oh boy. I love Tower of Hanoi. Go get onboarded.
Another day in the memory bank.
Gonna bang the
Great
robot.
work, Cat Secretary. I am pleased to offer you a sign-on bonus.
Tour of the
A
museum.
mandatory tour of Docs' illustrious museum.
Mandatory. Go faster. Boop beep boop.
This is the Docs Museum. All of its history is held within these rooms. Please, enjoy at your own pace and pledge your corporate fealty to our upper management.
All hail the management.
Welcome to Docs HQ's Lobby Museum, home of the future of yesterday.
This crystal goober was once given to the Docs family by an anonymous prince of the East, one of only two. This piece is considered priceless by many longtime Docs fans. Okay, nope, nope, nope. We need to jump up and we need to knock it over. Oh, yes, we can. Oh, yes, I can. Is this the other one? Oops. I'm fine
Unity,
with that.
support, family, and kneecapping bitches.
I knocked this thing over too? It's big.
Goober started as the star of a children's picture book series that featured our lovable protagonist exploring the Winding Wood, a mystical forest full of challenges that helped Goober learn and grow. But this little Goober's dreams were too big for the page.
I can't break that one.
Augustus invested in new techniques in the 1970s to create world-class animation with the growing Docs team, a group of ambitious creatives. Utilizing these innovations, Docs created the animated masterpiece Goober Goes Home in 1975, kicking off the golden age of Docs and the
Kids
classic
album
original
featuring the
Goober
Goob Troop
films.
singing contemporary pop songs took the 90s by storm, even if critics couldn't understand its brilliance. Mine now. I take this.
My loyal and hardworking board of executives, innovators, communicators,
Wait. Hell yeah. I want the picture or the album. You're kind of up close in my business, buddy.
The franchise was reinvigorated in 1992 when the last Goober book introduced a new character, Junior, based on Docs' son. Junior won over audiences anew, and Augustus threw himself into securing Docs' longevity. In the early 2000s, Augustus invested further in the advancing technology of film and animation. After a surprising redesign of the iconic character, Goober 3D was released to the public, capitalizing on cutting-edge CGI. Setting the bar high for future generations, Docs' future is certain to rely on
This
new,
book gave us Goober, the
promising
first
technology
edition. Oh, I want the
that
first
benefits
edition.
the
That'll go
future.
well on eBay. Yeah. Oh, I'm supposed to do this thing. I see. This was like a collection quest this whole time.
Docs has been on the cutting edge of technology for the past decade, and advancements in AI are ready to usher in a bright future for the company. The new and improved Goober is just what modern audiences need. Fun and entertaining. No brain power. willing to buy. You don't even have to tell us what you want. Our AI team has already predicted it, packaged it,
Ask Shane, your
front door. And the human talent behind your mobile order get to enjoy the benefits of AI technology
Do not
too.
place props back on podium.
Internal upskill initiative at Docs HQ.
It appears that the idea of an interactive Goober through the ages section has failed in spectacular fashion. The ROI on such a section is terrible. The prize here is simply too niche and expensive for us to provide for free after an attendee simply places the props found in the museum in the correct order. This must be shut down immediately. Oh, it lights up when they're in the right order. How do I get rid of it? There we go. And I want my prize. A hat. Oh, it's a pet bed. Should have been a hat. I deserve a hat.
Did you see my cameo in that last one? To be an
Be
honored
honest, I didn't
part of
watch.
something as special as the Upskill Initiative falls outside the scope of my programming.
Tour concluded.
Alright, going to bed. My new bed. Oh, there's money here. It's mine now. Text to speak falls behind way too much. Oh, missed something? Oh.
And here we go!
Good morning, Cat Secretary! Seeing as you're sleeping here, it is important to start thinking about work-life balance. And done! Now it's time for today's onboarding tasks. Let me present a key part of the secretary's role. Lobby management. Meet me at the computer in the lobby foyer.
Oh boy.
From here, you'll be able to order upgrades to the workspace that maximize efficiency and aesthetic appeal.
Oh boy.
The possibilities are truly endless. Unfortunately, it seems there's only one item up for purchase right now.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh
Why
boy.
don't you try ordering it?
He gave me
I've
money.
credited your account with some congratulations! You have now participated in consumerism. Hopefully, you have received a sense of accomplishment and power. This will be temporary.
My lord, I'm nearsighted.
Well, that's all I've got for today. I leave the risk in your...
Hey, Cat Secretary, welcome to Docs Meet. If you're reading this, you successfully access your email. Congratulations. Yes, sassy walk.
Oh.
You're the new Cat Secretary? I heard Augie made a divisive decision. But I'm glad he's taking initiative. How about I show my support by connecting you with you on the app? New connection. I hear you're in charge of keeping up the lobby. It doesn't quite seem like the best job to leave to a cat, but I'll leave an open mind. Hey, fuck you, I could manage a lobby. I got 2 paws. I got 4 paws. I can meow. If somebody calls, I just give them one of these. I give them the meow, 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 and it's all good. They love it. I'm gonna make you some coffee. You're gonna love it. Good enough.
Now.
See? I did a great job. Now we're gonna put the water in. Look, I didn't even start a fire this time. It's wonderful. This is a lethal amount of caffeine. You're gonna kill someone. Listen, more caffeine helps people do their jobs better. You.
Hey.
Hey, Cat Secretary. I think we may have gotten off on the wrong foot or paw. Let's start over. How about you add me as a friend on connected? Are you putting so much emphasis on the O? Oh, glass doors can be broken. Nope, just dented. Well, I'm doing my part. Do one of the tasks? Dang it. This seems the least tedious.
Oh, that secretary is terrible. I've been so involved with onboarding you this week. I wore out my charging station, and now I need a replacement. The good news is Augie ordered one for me. The tracking information shows that it's sitting in the
Second floor mail room.
My battery is already running low. If I don't get my charging station soon, I may run out of power and risk OS data corruption.
We must save the
My
bot.
memory files will be erased, and my deactivated husk left as prey for whatever horrors lurk in the nighttime fen of Doc's headquarters. And worst of all, who will handle onboarding?
Cat secretary.
A seminar? A manual? Two-dimensional and abhorrent? The sacrilege of a PowerPoint? I would go retrieve it myself. But company policy states that no unauthorized persons or bots shall be allowed out of their authorized zone. Page 47, Chapter 3, How to Know Your Place. Will you fetch it for me? Cats love fetch! Oh no, that's... Thank you. You're a cybernetic approximation of life. You may see other bots upstairs, such as the grotesque grabby bots, with their ungainly arms and poor sense of corporate pride. Do not let them see you, or grab you, or we'll both be in trouble. Dock speed.
We stealthing money under the stairs. Let people leave their stuff on the tables. Don't leave stuff on the tables. Tables are for walking. Oh, there's a grabby bot. Bots, your frenemies. Computer says no. As Docs introduces an AI workforce to its ranks, it seems that Obo is the exception when it comes to feline friendliness. During the night, these office floors of Docs are commanded by an army of robots who don't take kindly to anything or anyone interfering with company efficiency. They can see and hear me, so use feline skills and stealth. Turn around, buddy. There you go. getting incinerated. We'll do that again.
Whoa.
My dad knew a guy who hooked us up with these internships. Amazing.
Hi.
What's up, little cat dude?
Hi.
Meow, fast as fuck cat.
Oh, excuse me. I could use a paw.
Oh, I bet you do.
You're the new secretary, right? My name is Benjamin Gouda, Senior VP of Corporate Relations at Mouse Corp. A pleasure to meet you. I, appear to be boxed out my office, as it were. Any chance you could move them for me? I've got back-to-back meetings tonight.
I had a feeling you had potential.
I'm amazing
Why
at my
don't you
job.
pop round tomorrow? We have much to discuss. Let's do dinner. So long as it's not me.
Catnip. Give me my catnip. Obo, I'm here to save
Hello,
you.
Obo. It is me, Obo. I am here to onboard you into
The void.
how exciting it is for you to be promoted into a
State of unbeing.
secretary. You got it. Oh, you saved me. I'm so
Coming down forever.
I improved the
Phew.
staff morale by
That
helping the
was a
Obo bot.
close one. I will never forget what you. Good morning. You went above and beyond for me last night. I told you I wouldn't forget what you did. I am also incapable of forgetting. I wanted to give you something as a token of my gratitude. With this special commendation, you can request a promotion via the lobby management screen. Ooh.
Who are you? What are you doing in my lobby? You wouldn't happen to play Castle and Creatures, would you? No? We'll find someone who's interested. D&D nerds, get out of here. What are they doing on here? Email? No. Promotions? I get a promotion.
Congratulations on your first promotion. Applause.
Applause. Achievement.
New achievement. Unarmed combat.
No need to thank me. You earned this. While a job well done is its own reward, you can receive further promotions by continuing to impress Docks and its employees. This will grant an increased access level for higher floors.
Oh
Not that
boy.
anyone would ever want to leave the lobby.
I did it. Give me a soda. That took all morning to knock that over. Hey, make some coffee for the people. Love coffee. Perfect coffee. Just in time for the evening shift. Oh, well,
Cat
what's up?
secretary. I just checked the numbers, and your first week has actually been an improvement over our old secretary.
Yeah,
Which is
she probably
incredible,
sucked at making
since,
coffee.
you know, they had a bachelor's degree. And thumbs. The executive board definitely gave me an earful over hiring a cat, but they can't argue with results like these.
No, they
Now
can't.
that your
I
onboarding
kick
phase
ass.
is over, starting tomorrow, you'll be getting paid at the end of each day based on your
I
job
get
performance.
paid.
Keep
Holy
up the
shit.
good work.
Will there be any other new hires I should prepare to onboard?
What the frowel is
Probably not.
that?
The board was mad enough about hiring cat secretary.
Understood, sir. I look forward to joining my ancestors in
The incinerator.
I hope that my parts may live on in a coffee maker or vacuum cleaner. Something people find useful every day.
Good knowing you, Obo.
Obo, I'm giving you a new assignment. From now on, you'll work as an assistant to cat secretary. I've seen how well you two work together. Plus, you're still a cat and may need a hand.
A promotion of my very own? Does this redesignation supersede my onboarding protocols?
Sure it does.
Will I also be compensated in a manner corresponding with my job performance?
No.
Just a title bump then? Okay, boss. You're the boss now. Wow. Whoever onboarded you must have
Yeah.
done an exceptional
Obo.
job. Now, I must ready myself for my first day as your assistant. Wait,
Error. Existential crisis. Rebooting in safe mode.
good night.
Okay.
Salutations, Cat Secretary, and congratulations on your recent promotion. Don't look
Benjamin
so surprised.
Gouda. I love
Mouse
that.
Corp has ears everywhere. Though we have experienced a downturn in that AI are replacing human jobs, and it represents an existential threat to business mice everywhere. No humans will mean no more dropped sandwiches, no scraps of paper for our nests. You see, we have one of those, how shall I put this, multifaceted synergistic partnerships. That's why I know our kinds have never really gotten along, but improve staff morale and you'll create an environment where... But before I go any further... Excellent. Now, if you'll hand me your docs pad, may I present to you the quest log. Queries undergoing extensive secretarial treatment, or quests for short, are problems that the quest log is where you'll find a list of leads. Once you discover, in fact, if you're, why don't we ride along on this one together?
I get to be a mount for the mouse buddy? Yeah, yeah.
Please. Onwards, Cat Secretary! Profits and glory await! On that wall, a floor map. Oh, those are perfect for mastering the office layout. And finding the fire exits if you care about safety. I'd rather not be bothered by those HR nightmares. We're taking an executive shortcut. Use this code on those meeting room doors
stealth.
down the hall.
Hang on, I gotta knock the plant off the table. Like, essential. It's on the chair, good enough. Hat, give me the hat. Yes! I deserve this hat. I earned it.
Over there, that door. You should be able to open it with your current access level. Being an official employee has its privileges. The higher your
Point
access
under the
level,
stairs? Nope.
the higher you can go. Blimey. There's that cash grab cooler. Let's sniff about this treacherous contraption and see if we can find any clues. These receivers are what's powering the
Clients with
water
section
cooler's financial back
18
end.
of Doc's
No more
handbook.
ping, no ka-ching. Destroying them should make the water free. Of course, I'm not one for wanton vandalism, but that's why I employ a cat. Find all the receivers and give them the 1-2 pork. Over there. Some lazy-about employees have left their computers on overnight. Oh, wasteful. But I'm sure they might hold some clues to our quests. And do mind the security bots. They may be more of a bother here than on the floor below.
Back when we used to work in an office, I used to do this thing. We used to have this thing where if you left your computer unlocked, you got your background changed. I loved doing that. Wonderful. Team, I'm excited to announce that the Human Resources team will be piloting an exciting new innovation direct from the executive labs in order to mitigate the operating costs of a human workforce. The MTXWC is a cutting-edge water cooling system. Zelda, as part of this program, will be receiving one of them. Not sure this code was anyone code, as 5.6.
I see. So, if you're able to find the rest of the cooler's admin code, you could disable the whole system. This Josiah is a paranoid scoundrel. He's broken the code into 3 pieces. Using the advanced skills I learned while getting my MBA, I have divined that 2 pieces remain.
Five, 6, 15. Good sound from. Nope. Is that the stairs where I came in? I'm destroying the receivers, like. One up there?
Excellent work, Cat Secretary. We won't see the impact of a successful quest until the next day. So, let's head back to my office for now. I believe we're onto something big here, CAD Secretary. Very big. Why don't you stop by my office again tomorrow evening? That will give Meow...
Hey, this has been fun. Got ad break coming up. I think after the ad break, I'm going to swap into something different. Don't think this is a wish list game. It's cool. It's got some interesting
Clax
mechanics
A8
to
is
it.
coming. Chat suffer now. Buy Clax mug someday or Clax angry forever.
Yeah, ads are coming. But we'll go ahead and swap over to something different. I don't know how long the demo actually is for this thing, but the day job mechanics are they're okay. It's a nice little cozy game, but I don't think this is one that I want to see the full story through. I think I have seen enough for myself. Yeah, we'll go ahead, get switched over to something else. I'll get my coffee refilled while ads run, and what's next? Cute though. It's really cute. I will give it that. It is a very, very cute little thing. I think up next, check out the Otter game, Otterly Lost. So stick around, we'll play that just a little bit. Hang out, ads are running through shortly. Be okay. Capitalism do the capitalism things.